Marking buckle. True short needles. One reducer. Pick the outer half of the 2 stitches. Stay wire. Redraw. The first group is finished. Then we checked off the remaining 5 groups. Round 20 is over. End of drawing. Erase pin. 6 and lap 21. 6 groups of 1 short needle and 1 reduced needle. That's 12 stitches. Now we hook the first needle. A short needle. Marking buckle. One reducer. Pick the outer half of the 2 stitches and pull the thread. Redraw. This is the first group. Then we checked off the remaining 5 groups. After the 21st hook. End of drawing. Stretch the thread. Start stuffing the cotton. First place stuff cotton after. If you don't think it's round enough, you can use a crochet hook to weigh the round spots. Pack cotton. Even out. And then we hook the last circle. 22 turns is 6 reduction pins. Erase pin. Skip the stitches for the other half stitch. You can pinch it like this to make it easier to hold. Stay wire. Redraw. This is the first stitch to add the marking buckle. Then hook 5 more of the same reducer. This circle is finished. Drawing. Tensioning. Leave a line. Disconnection. Chip in lined. That's the end of the hook. Now let's hook the belly. The first circle of the stomach is a ring. 6 short needles with white thread. Wrap the thread around your finger twice. Take it and hook it. Hold the coil with your index finger. Crochet needle. Round the circle. Draw here and draw again. And hook a standing pin. Now start the first short stitch. Put a marker button here. Continue to hook the second short pin. A total of 6 short stitches. Pull the coil tight after the hook. Snip on. Remove the marker buckle. Mark the location of the buckle. End of drawing. Pull tight on the first turn. Hook a standing pin. The second circle is 6 extra needles. Start the first stitch where the draw is. So the needle is in. Same needle order. Hook 2 short pins. That's the first needle. Then the second needle. Make 2 short stitches in the same eye. Let's finish the other 4 pins. The second loop is done. Remove marker buckle. Mark the location of the buckle. End of drawing. Tension wire. A rice pin. The third lap is 6 sets. 1 short stitch and 1 plus stitch. That's 18 stitches. Now let's hook the first set. A short needle. Marking buckle. One plus pin. It's 2 short stitches in the same eye. First group completion. And then we check 5 more groups. A short needle. 1 plus pin.